Welcome to IDO's video channel. In this video, I'll show you how to replace old surface with a new surface once you finish your pipe network design. And you don't want to readjust the pipe network. Let's say the pipe network as it is, it's correct. You just need to replace the surface. The easiest option is to insert new surface into old surface. As you can see here, I have a new surface, old surface. If I could, I would rather go to Edit, Paste Surface, and then I would paste new surface into old surface. And at the areas where those two surfaces override, the new surface would be used and everything would be great and updated. But there are situations where you can't do it this way. So what is the other option? The other option is just to use a new surface, and I will create profile from new surface and all that. And let me probably start with that first, but I will change the style for the profile from the old surface. I will select one profile in a profile view, then I go to select similar, then I open properties window, and I will change the style to something different. Let's say I will use a miscellaneous here, which is a different style. And if I zoom closer, this is a old surface. Now let me create profiles from new surface. So I go to profiles, then I go to add surface, then I choose the new surface. OK, I select all the profile views. Then I specify the style. I want to use an NGL style, no labels. OK, but now when I'm prompted, do you want to replace the existing profile references with the surface profile? Yes, I want, because I want the new surface to be used if it is used by the profile view bands. And as you can see, this is a new surface. There is a slight discrepancy, horizontal and vertical. Now the next step is that I need to set that surface as a reference surface for my pipes and structures, because if I go to pipe properties, under the reference surface, it still uses old surface. Let me stretch this window a bit. Let me cancel. If I do the same for structures, I go to structure properties, and then I check the reference surface, and again, it's old surface. So to fix that problem, I'm going to use the IDOS command, set reference surface or reference surface. Then I select which surface I want to use, new surface, OK. And let's double check again. If I go to pipe properties, the new surface is used now. And if I go to structure properties, new surface is used. So that's all good. But I don't want to readjust the pipe networks, but I need the manhole's rim elevation to be at the new surface. So what I'll do, I will use IDOS command adjust invert. And then for the entire network, the new reference surface is a new surface. I don't want to adjust pipe, so tick that off, but I want to adjust structure rim elevation. It's up to you whether you want to adjust some elevation and some depth, but this is very important. And I want the amount to be 0 above surface. Let me click OK. And once it's done, I will zoom closer, and you could see that all the rim elevations are now tied to the new surface. And the vertical alignment of the pipe network is the same as it was before. If I want to get rid of old surface, I can simply go and select it and delete it. There is a triangle which tells you that it is used for profiles or somewhere else. You can't simply delete it. So you can go to select, it's selected in a plan, and then you can press delete. The surface was represented by a boundary. But if you do that, the profiles from the old surface remain in your profile view, but you can right click and go to select similar. And all these profiles, be careful, you might have some other profiles that might be selected as well. Just double check that. But in my case, these are the only profiles I have from the old surface and no any other profiles. Then I delete them. And if I zoom closer, everything is perfect. So now this is a profile from a new surface. Only new surface is used. And if I open Pipe Manager, there will be only new surface available. Let me do that quickly. Pipe Manager is opened, new surface. So this is great. And if I go to profiles, the profiles do display the new surface. So everything is sorted.